Good morning, everyone. There is the equipment that they left here yesterday, which made me to think they were coming back this morning. But I haven't seen them yet. Here's the chickens. I'll show you what they did yesterday. Let's see. This all goes back to last year, if you remember, when they came and dug a trench through my chicken yard to lay down water pipes for the subdivision. So when they did that last year, they hit this power line. You see it here? It goes through my yard, chicken yard, under the fence, through there, and to there. But that's not my power. I really don't understand how it works, because my power, I don't think, comes from there. Mine comes from over there. I don't know. Anyway, they had hit it, and actually they had broken it. Then they came back last year and they Band-Aid fixed it. Well, the landlord wanted them to replace it, so he has been on them since last year, and they kept saying they'll come. Well, finally, I think he got on them again, and they came out yesterday and they dug a trench again. You can see all this soil is freshly turned over because this is where they had dug, and they laid down the new electrical thing. It goes all the way through here to that line, and then there's another power box there. So that's what they did, and because that tractor or backhoe, whatever it is still here, I was thinking they were gonna come back this morning. And I thought about 6 o'clock, I saw one of them pull in, and he was sitting in his car for a little bit. Isn't she a beautiful hen? She is pretty, even though it's all dark colors. She's pretty. And there's the little rooster. He was crowing this morning. Anyway, we got some rain this morning. About a little after 6 o'clock, it poured down buckets. And I knew it was going to when I got up about 5:15. It was so humid and it was stuffy in the trailer. I have the air conditioner on now because it gets so stuffy. And then the rain came. It rained for about 15 minutes. That was it. There's Big Daddy. So I have to, or I don't have to, I'm going to look for my little nails. Hey, Abner. He just pecked my foot. I'm going to look for my little nails today. And I want to put that sign that Marianne, the crotchety clogger, sent me. I want to put it up there. I'm going to have to see how I'm going to do it, because I'm going to have to stand on this cinder block and nail it up there. And I used to not have a problem with heights, but about the last year or so I get dizzy. So I don't want to put it, on this here, I let it down. Whoops, just scared the chickens, and I didn't want to do that. And then I lock it, like in the winter and cold, rainy, windy nights, so that my chickens stay warm. I don't want to put the sign here because no one's going to see it unless this is shut. So I really want to put it right there. Oh, I'm just noticing Oh, I thought that was a nail sticking out. I mean, I could put it here. Like right here. That would be kind of cute. If I put it on the side here, no one's going to see it. I'll see what I can do. I mean, if I put it here, it will sure be seen. But it might look tacky being there. But it might not, because the door's open on this side. Up there, it would look nice, but I don't know if it would be seen. I have to open this. I'll have to wait till this other hand is free. They're all talking. Abner's up on that tire. Uh-oh. What was that all about? They got some more water over here. They love this. If I take this rake and I just move some of this around, they will come right over here digging for bugs. Watch. I don't think the others have noticed. This is Lady Jane. Oh, I think they might be coming over. Yep. And they scratch around. Big Daddy's trying to romance someone. Abner's gonna get a little drink. Going in to lay an egg? Okay, everyone. I'll talk to you later.